If you want to hide indicator icons in status bar on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we're gonna go to the Galaxy Store. And then in here, we can search for an app that is called Good Luck. There we go. And this is the app that we need to use. Now, in my case, I have this app already installed. So once you install the app, you want to open it. And then in here, we should be able to find a list of additional plugins that help us access various settings that are usually not accessible by default. So in here, we need to find the Quick Start plugin. We can tap on this arrow on the right side in order to download the plugin. I'm going to scroll all the way up to the top of the list because this is where we can find our installed plugins. There we go. Once it is installed, you want to tap on the Quick Start. We need to turn this option on, and then we can go to visibility of indicator icons. Now in here, we can decide which icons should be accessible and which should not. So for example, if I want to, I can completely hide the battery icon. I can disable the Wi-Fi icon, especially if I use it all the time, then of course, perhaps I don't need to see it that I am connected. I can also hide the mobile data signal if I want to, and of course other stuff as well. So it's up to you what information, which icons should be visible, and you can turn it on or off over here. Leave a like and subscribe.